Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade specifically designed for the Dell Alienware m16 R2 Intel laptop, a 32GB DDR5 SODIMM kit running at a speedy 5600MHz. For those unfamiliar, RAM, or random access memory, is crucial for multitasking, gaming, and overall system responsiveness. The Alienware m16 R2 is a powerful machine, but its performance can be significantly bottlenecked if it's running with insufficient or slower memory. This upgrade aims to address that. This particular kit comes in the 262-pin non-ECC SODIMM form factor, which is standard for laptops. It operates at a voltage of 1.1 V, which is important for power efficiency and thermal management, especially in a laptop environment where heat can be a concern. The PC5-44800 specification confirms its DDR5 5600MHz speed, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance with the Alienware m16 R2's memory controller. One of the key benefits of this upgrade is the increased capacity. Bumping up to 32GB of RAM allows for smoother multitasking, especially when running demanding applications like video editing software, CAD programs, or resource-intensive games. Users will notice less lag and improved responsiveness when switching between applications or working with large files. The 5600MHz speed is another significant advantage. DDR5 memory offers a substantial performance boost over previous generations, and this kit takes full advantage of that. The higher clock speed translates to faster data transfer rates, which can improve loading times, reduce stuttering in games, and enhance overall system performance. It's also worth noting that this memory is system-specific, meaning it's been designed and tested to work seamlessly with the Dell Alienware m16 R2 Intel. This eliminates the guesswork and ensures compatibility, which is always a plus. The fact that it's backed by a lifetime warranty and toll-free technical support from PartsQuick provides peace of mind. Knowing that you have support available if you encounter any issues is a valuable asset. Finally, the RoHS and halogen-free certifications indicate that this memory is environmentally friendly, adhering to strict standards for hazardous substance reduction. In conclusion, if you're looking to maximize the performance of your Dell Alienware m16 R2 Intel, this 32GB DDR5 5600MHz memory upgrade is definitely worth considering. The increased capacity and high speed will provide a noticeable improvement in multitasking, gaming, and overall system responsiveness. The system-specific design, lifetime warranty, and environmental certifications further enhance its value.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.